Delighted to be joined on Mobile World Live by Katia Gonzalez, who's Head of Public Policy at Proximus Global. Katia, great to see you.
Great to see you too. Thank you very much for having me here.
So we are here at MWC 25 Barcelona. How has the show been for you this year, Katia?
Awesome, exciting, so many things. It's overwhelming almost, but it's amazing to be able to see all the partners, all the big things in the industry, all the roadmap that we're going to have in the coming years. It's fantastic.
And in your domain and your experience of regulation and collaboration, how's that played into the agenda at MWC?
Well, I think it's starting to be the overarching topic for many things. We are talking so much about data, how important it is in our industry, about AI, telco APIs, so very many things. And actually we're starting to see how it is important to have industry, private sector and public sector collaboration. And it seems to start picking up, which is fantastic.
And you did just mention there the buzzword of the week, AI.
Absolutely.
How's the conversation this week been around AI?
Oh, there are so many aspects. There's the technology, there's the data itself, which is like I've heard here talking about the new gold, the lifeblood of our industry. So it's our biggest asset, and it's understood as such. And also in this aspect, AI, the security, the regulations, how we build a sustainable, reliable, a trustable environment for AI, the data, so many things to be said about AI, and you can find everything here, so it's awesome.
And another big topic of conversation this week, of course, has been around network APIs, operators opening up their networks. Is that a big opportunity for telcos, do you think?
The sector needs to keep on growing, and the growth pace is not what we all would like to see. And same as AI can help reduce costs, do things better. It can also be, and these are things that need to be explored, avenues for new revenue streams. And telco APIs seem to be like a new gold mine. This is how it's seen. Of course, there are just a few use cases that are discussed at the moment, but it can grow so much more based on this wealth of data that we all have. Yeah.
So APIs and AI certainly seem to be the big theme of this year's show. What's key to making sure that businesses and telcos really make the most of these opportunities?
Understanding the whole landscape, the data, how can we build multidimensional data, combined data, how telco information can enrich so many other verticals, banking, this is the most obvious one that everybody's talking about, but there are so many other opportunities. And again, to make this possible in a reliable manner, that's where all the regulations come into play. And not only national regulations, but the challenge is going to be to find a way to better collaborate across regulations to build a proper framework that can work actually for everybody in a simple manner. I guess we're going to be talking about this much more in future.
Katia, great to hear your reflections on the big themes at this year's show. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and see you next year.